Hi, my name is Jay Sean Pearson, and today I'm going to teach you on how to start the process of learning how to frontside 50-50 on a ledge. The first step you need to learn how to do in order to learn how to get on the ledge, you need to learn how to ollie first on flat ground. If you learn how to do that trick on flat ground and be comfortable doing that trick, you will be able to do that trick on the ledge when you're about to perform the frontside 50-50. When you learn how to do that trick, you gotta take that trick and add it to the frontside 50-50 when you're about to attempt that trick. You want to stand straight by the ledge and you want to ollie on top of the ledge when you're about to perform the trick. So you want to do that so you can get on top of the ledge. So that's the first step you need to learn how to do when trying frontside 50-50s on the ledge. The second step you need to learn how to do in order to learn how to frontside 50-50 on the ledge, you need to learn how to ollie and pop on the ledge. You want to do the same thing that you did when you was on flat ground, but this time you want to try on the ledge. So try the ollie and pop forward when you about to attempt this trick. So when you ollie, you want to ollie and jump forward on the ledge and then jump off. When you do that, you will be able to get comfortable when attempting the frontside 50-50 on the ledge. So you want to try those a couple times so you can get comfortable with the trick and the feel of the trick on the ledge. If you add all those tips together, you will be able to do this trick the correct way, and you will have no problems learning how to do this trick the correct way. If you find this video helpful to you in any kind of way, feel free to share it with someone else that might need this tip on trying to learn how to start the process of learning frontside 50-50s on the ledge. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you won't miss out on videos like this every week. So you can be notified when I post videos like this every week. Catch you in the next video.